In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can turn on the spatial sound in Windows 11. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type settings. Okay. Then click on settings under the best match, or you can directly click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now on the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply look for system. And in here, we can find sound, volume, labels, output, input, sound devices. Okay. Now simply scroll down and under advanced, you will find all sound devices. Click on that. And here for the output devices, click on your speaker. And then for the advanced settings, you'll find the spatial sound. Choose an immersive audio experience that simulates a realistic environment. Okay, so this is currently off. So how can we enable it? Click on this drop down arrow and choose the Windows Sonic for headphones. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can easily enable the spatial sound on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.